Do you want to play your Android games and run your Android apps directly on your PC?
Hell yeah!
Well then keep watching, because in this video I'm going to tell you 4 amazing methods through which you can run your Android apps and games on your PC. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name's Kaushal and you're watching TechHoop. So today we are going to talk about 4 amazing ways through which you can run your Android apps on your PC. Let's just jump into the first one. So the best way of running your Android apps and games on your PC is directly by just using an Android operating system. Yes, it is actually possible to install an operating system on your computer. So it does not matter whether you have high-end specifications or low-end specifications. But if you literally install the entire Android operating system on your computer, then you can easily run any game or app on your system without any lag.
Okay.
Yes, this is the best way to do it. So how do we install an operating system? It is very simple. I will insert a link into the description from where you can download the operating system. It's totally for free. And how to install the operating system, I will also add a reference link in the description. So make sure you check that out. Also, if you are still unclear about it, you can let me know in the comments and I'll myself make an entire video on how exactly you can install it on your own. Okay? Honestly, this I feel is the best way through which you can mimic your Android apps on your computer without any lag. No matter what system you have, this method is the way to go. Second method is by using emulators. I'm sure by now you all must have heard about this application called BlueStacks. Yes, BlueStacks is the best emulator out there through which you can use your Android apps on your PC. A great alternative for BlueStacks is also this emulator called Nox. Nox is a great one, but I feel BlueStacks has much more support as well as variety to use any app as possible. Plus the best thing about it is that BlueStacks also has a VPN with it. So you can easily fake your location. So if you want to use any apps which are not present in India or not available in India or any country that you are in, then you can easily change your location to, let's say, US, and then you can use those apps easily from there. So this is a pretty handy way to do it. But what if you want to stream your phone screen directly to your computer so that you can do a YouTube live stream if you want to become a gamer or something? How can we do that? Well, keep watching, because in this third method, that is exactly what I'm going to tell you.
Off!
So actually, you can screen share your phone directly to your computer. So I have already made an entire video on how you can control your phone through your PC. You can check that out over here. That video is amazing. It's 2 minutes long and you will know exactly what you have to do. So through this method, there would be literally no PC requirements. As long as you have a stable internet connection, everything will be fine. You can use your phone's graphics and processor and literally screen share everything on your computer. So this is the most handiest way if you want to do a YouTube live stream or just stream your mobile's content directly on the internet.
Nice.
Now coming to the fourth and my least favorite method, to be honest.
Oh shit, here we go again.
This is using Google Chrome extensions. I've made an extensive list of all the Google Chrome extensions that you should be using. Check it out over here. It has some amazing extensions that will make your life extremely simple. So just like I said earlier, you can use emulators on your PC, but for that you have to install it. But in case if you don't want to install it, then using extensions is the way to go. So over here, you will directly search for Android emulator and you will actually find extensions through which you can access it. But obviously, since these are online extensions, you won't be able to play games which are high-end or use some more applications which require a lot of resources. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you want to use simple applications, then you can use this method. But if you want to use just the basic apps, then PC versions already exist for them. For example, WhatsApp. WhatsApp actually has the WhatsApp web feature. If you did not know about this, then now you know. It's very simple to use. Just check it out on Google. You will know exactly how to do it. So if you just want to use WhatsApp on your PC, don't install any emulators or something. I know this is pretty straightforward, but still a lot of people don't know about this. So now you do. So that was my quick video on 4 different ways through which you can use your Android apps and games on your PC. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. Now smash that dislike button if you did not like this video, and in case if you actually liked it, you know what to do. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Kaushal. Peace out.
Good.